Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Ajir video topic hoise confusing words in English. Jihokal viewers e মোৰ channel to subscribe korise, a big thank you to all of you. Aru jihokale etileke subscribe kora nai, please মোৰ channel to subscribe koribo aru logote thaka bell icon to press koribo jate মোৰ নতুন video notification to apnaleke pai jay. Okay, so now let's start the video. So, confusing words burok homophones boli koa hoy. Example: accept and accept, accident and incident, weather and weather, peace and peace, counsel and counsel, rain and rain, assure and insure, principle and principle, story and story, pain and pain, beside and besides, course and course, pour and pour, compliment and compliment, desert and desert, allowed and allowed. So homophones poror similar sound thake na pronunciation to eke thake, but different meanings and spellings, meaning aru spelling to beleg hoy. To ketiba ami ta English ot word likhar samoyat spelling to bhul hoy jay karon teniko similar sounding word eta ase. Okay, so eniko jate aru bhul nohoy, so let's see some of the homophones. First we say accept and accept. ACCEPT, accept mane hoise to receive, kiba bostu loa naiba kiba mani loa. Okay, example: please accept my resignation. Next we say accept, EXCEPT, accept mane hoise exclude, mane bad dia. Example: except David, everyone was present in the class. David ok bad di class ot hokoloi present asile. Next we say accident and incident. Accident mane hoise mishap naiba durghotona. A serious accident took place in the front of our house. Incident, INCIDENT, incident mane hoise happening naiba ghotona. Please narrate an interesting incident from your life. Tumar life or eta interesting ghotona koa. Okay, this is accident and incident. Next we say weather and weather. Weather mane hoise daily natural condition naiba botor. The weather has suddenly turned cold. Botor to hothat thanda porile. Weather, WHETHER, weather mane hoise alternative or choice, jikono eta. Okay, example: I want to know whether my answer was correct or wrong. Janibo kuiso mor answer to correct hoise ne wrong hoise, jikono eta. Okay, kuntu hoy are. So this is weather and weather. Next, peace and peace. PEACE, peace mane hoise opposite of war naiba hanti. Okay, India is a peace loving country. Peace, PIECE, peace mane hoise part naiba tukura. Give me a piece of bread, bread or tukura. Okay, council and council. COUNCIL, council mane hoise administrative body of people. Tamane a group of people kibata motive loi pla eta group form kora. Okay, jeneke legislative council hobo pare, student council hobo pare, women council. Okay, example: his father is a member of legislative council. Council, COUNSCL, council mane hoise advice, mane upodesh. Example: I thank my teacher for his wise counsel. My teacher ok dhonnobad diso tekhitor upodeshor kane. Okay, this is counsel and counsel. Next we say rain and rain. Rain ami hokoloi jano rain mane hoise borokhon. The farmers waited for rain to sow crops. Next we say reign, REIGN. Reign mane hoise rule, mane rajotto. Example: Akbar's reign was a golden period. So Akbar rajotto eta honali period asile. This is reign and reign. Next we say assure and insure. Assure, ASSURE, assure mane hoise to convince, mane potion kora. Example: I assured him that I would sincerely help him. So moi teo help korim boli assurance disu. Okay, next we say insure, INSURE, insure mane hoise to guard against loss naiba bima korwa. Okay, jonto insurance koy, insurance word to insure korai hoy. Okay, we got our house insured against fire. Amar ghor to insurance insure kora hoise against fire. Next হৈছে principal and principal. Principal, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L, principal মানে হৈছে head of the school. Example, my mother went to meet the principal. Principal, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-L-E, principal মানে হৈছে basic rules নাইবা আদৰ্শ. Gandhiji always followed noble principles. This is principal and principal. Next one, story and story. S-T-O-R-E-Y, story মানে হৈছে level নাইবা মহলা. My room is on the upper story of the house. মোৰ ৰুমটো ওপৰৰ মহলাত. Okay? Story, S-T-O-R-Y, story মানে হৈছে tale নাইবা সাধু কথা. আমি সকলোৱে জানো story মানে সাধু. My grandmother told me an interesting story. So story আৰু story মাজত কোনো স্পেলিঙৰ কনফিউজন হ'ব নালাগে. Okay? Next, pain and pain. Pain মানে হৈছে great discomfort নাইবা বিষ. She experienced a pain in her stomach. পেটৰ বিষ হৈছে. Pain, P-A-N-E, pain. Pain মানে হৈছে flat sheet of glass. Glassৰ এটা sheet. Example, the ball hit the window pane and broke it. So glassৰ যদি খিৰিকী থাকে তেতিয়া তাত এটা frame থাকিব. কাঠৰ হওক প্লাষ্টিকৰ হওক এটা frame থাকিব আৰু ফ্ৰেমৰ ভিতৰত থাকিব গ্লাছটো. So এই গ্লাছটোকে কোৱা হয় window pane. So বলটো window paneত লাগি পেলাই গ্লাছটো ভাঙি থাকিব. Okay? So pain and pain. Next হৈছে beside and besides. Beside, beside মানে হৈছে by the side of নাইবা কাষত নহলে next to. Come and sit beside me. মোৰ কাষত বহা. Okay? Beside ৰ লগত এটা s লগাই দিছে besides. Besides মানে হৈছে in addition to. নাইবা লগতে বুলি ক'ব পাৰি নহলে তাৰ উপৰিও বুলি ক'ব পাৰি. Besides giving me a book, she also gave me some money. মোক এখন কিতাপ দিয়াৰ লগতেও তেওঁ মোক অলপমান পইচাও দিছে. Okay? So this is the correct form of beside and besides. Next, coarse and coarse. C-O-A-R-S-E, coarse মানে হৈছে rough or harsh behavior. Rough মানে হৈছে খহটা. Okay? Harsh behavior মানে হৈছে একেবাৰে বেয়া behavior. Example, the man gave a coarse speech. So মানুহজনে এটা একেবাৰে rough speech দিছে. Coarse, C-O-U-R-S-E. Coarse or তিনটা meaning দিছো ইয়াতে. Series, part of meal on route. Series মানে কিবা academic series হ'ব পাৰে, like academic course, নাইবা কিবা singing course হ'ব পাৰে, driving course হ'ব পাৰে. Example, I could not revise the whole course. গোটেই courseটো revision দিব নোৱাৰি. So part of meal. Example, we had chicken for main course. Okay, part of a meal to course বুলি কয়. Next হৈছে route. Route মানে হৈছে ৰাস্তা. The sailor knows the course of the river. The sailor জনে জানে নদীটোৰ কোনটো course হয়, কোনটো route হয়. Okay, so this is course and course. Next, pour and pour. P-O-U-R, pour মানে হৈছে flow. Pour some more tea into the cup. তাৰমানে বাকি দিয়া. Okay? Pour, P-O-R-E, pour. Pour মানে হৈছে a very small hole. একেবাৰে সৰু ফুটা. Example, stomata are tiny pores in the leaves of a plant. So plants or leaves of কিছুমান সৰু pores থাকে, ফুটা থাকে, এইবোৰ কোৱা হয় stomata. Next হৈছে complement and complement. এটা wordত এটাই difference আছে, এটা E আছে আৰু এটা I আছে. First হৈছে complement, C-O-M-P-L-E-M-E-N-T, complement. Something that makes perfect. So কিবা এটা বস্তু যদি ভাল লাগিছে, তাত যদি আৰু এটা বস্তু এড কৰি দিয়া, তেতিয়া এইটো দুটাকে complement কৰা বুলি কয়. The hairband complements your dress. So dress টো ভাল লাগিছে, তাৰে ওপৰত যদি এই hairband টো লগোৱা হৈছে, তেতিয়া আৰু ভাল লাগিছে. Okay, the hairband ৱে dress টো complement কৰিছে. Okay? Compliment, C-O-M-P-L-I-M-E-N-T, compliment. Compliment মানে হৈছে praise, নাইবা প্ৰশংসা কৰা. I complimented him on his success. তেওঁৰ successত মই praise কৰিছো. Okay? নাইবা প্ৰশংসা কৰিছো. Next, dessert and dessert. ফাৰ্ষ্টতে ডেজাৰ্ট DESCRT ডেজাৰ্ট মানে হৈছে an area of land without water নাইবা মৰুভূমি the cactus plant grows in the desert so desertত cactus plant হয় desert DESSERT desert মানে হৈছে a meal that follows a main meal suppose আমি লাঞ্চ নহলে ডিনাৰ খোৱাৰ পিছত কিবা যদি মিঠা বস্তু খাওঁ সেইটো হৈছে dessert example after dinner we had ice cream for dessert okay so dessert and dessert next is allowed and allowed ALOUD allowed মানে হৈছে to speak out loud অলপ জোৰকে কোৱা okay read the paragraph aloud এটা টিচাৰে ক্লাছত এগৰাকী ষ্টুডেণ্টক কয় যে read the paragraph aloud যাতে ক্লাছৰ সবে শুনা পায় allowed 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 মানে হৈছে past tense of allow মানে হৈছে অনুমতি দিয়া অনুমতিৰ past tense হৈছে allowed you are not allowed to go out তোমাৰ বাহিৰত যোৱাৰ অনুমতি নাই so this was all about some confusing words in English video to sai kenikwa lagile janabo jodi bhal lagise please share with your friends and please don't forget to subscribe my channel thank you so much